Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to select a specific country for applying to jobs on Indeed. This is incredibly useful if you're looking to work abroad or want to explore job opportunities in different regions. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This ensures all your job preferences and search history are properly saved and synced across your devices. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there, typically displayed as a circular avatar or icon representing your account. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on the option labeled Country and Language. This is the key setting that allows you to customize your job search experience based on your target location and preferred language for browsing. Clicking this option will open a new page or panel where you can make your selections. Now you'll see a list of available countries and their corresponding languages. Take a moment to browse through the options and select the specific country where you want to search for and apply to jobs. For example, if you're interested in working in France, simply click on France from the list. Along with selecting the country, you can also choose your preferred language for the interface, which makes navigating the site much more comfortable. Once you've made your selection, the page will reload with your new country and language settings applied. You'll notice the interface may now display in your chosen language, and the job listings will be tailored to your selected region. This ensures you're seeing relevant opportunities in the location you're targeting. Now, at the top of the page, you'll see Indeed's search bar. This is where you can start looking for specific positions. In the first field, type in the job title or role you're interested in. For instance, you might enter something like software engineer or marketing manager. Then, in the second field right next to it, input a more specific location within your chosen country. For example, if you selected France, you could type Paris to narrow down your search to opportunities in that city. After entering both your job title and location, click the Find Jobs button. Keep in mind that depending on the language you selected earlier, this button might be labeled differently, but it will still be clearly visible and located in the same position next to the search fields. And that's it. You've successfully configured Indeed to show you job listings from your target country, and you can now start applying to positions in your desired location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.